Hello, my name is Larry Rabelais, President of Terra-Jet U.S.A. We have opened a new Terra-Jet group called Terra-Jet Vehicles Worldwide. This group is for Terra-Jet owners to learn more about Terra-Jet vehicles, service issues, and uses of Terra-Jet. In this session, we'll tell you what you need to know to keep your Terra-Jet in top condition for the springtime. So what are some of the maintenance items needed for Terra-Jet? Of course, it's a good time to make a list of these requirements and maintenance needs for your Terra-Jet vehicle. And Terra-Jet can help you keep your Terra-Jet in top running order. To ensure great performance from your Terra-Jet, we suggest you replace the following items yearly: your gas filter, your spark plug, your air filter, your drive belt, your steering bushings, your steering seals, and steam clean the inside of your vehicle. Every other year, not only do what you did the first year, but change the kingpin bush, shorten the drive chain if necessary, replace the transmission oil, steam clean the inside of the vehicle. Every third year, all of the first year items, replace the axle seals and bearings, and also steam clean the inside of the vehicles. Your questions and our emails are appreciated. Thank you for letting us put your Terra-Jet back into great shape. Soit vous autres faites business avec nous autres ici à l'Allusion, on va essayer de ranger tout ça pour vous.